guys, so just to preface this video, I actually made a personalized scarf tutorial for a friend of mine who was kind of playing around with just how to style them more, how to accessorize a little more, so I thought I'd share it. And honestly, there are a million different types of scarves, a million different ways to use them, not even just on your neck, for a million different things. So if you guys find this interesting and want to see some more scarf tutorials, by all means, please comment down below and let me know. And with that being said, let's get started. So I'll actually be seeing you in a few minutes, but I wanted to do a little something for you. So this purple scarf right here is one that I actually don't wear anymore, but it's super cute, and it kind of reminds me of you because I know that you love purple. First off, before you lecture me, this is not a gift. This is actually me being selfish. I'm trying to learn how to do videos on tutorials, so we'll look at it that way. But anyways, this made me think of you for a couple of different reasons. It's a gorgeous material, but there's a lot of detail here, and so knowing you, I feel as if you might be slightly questioning whether or not you're styling it properly or whatever. So I'm just going to give you a few quick tips on how you would style something like this. Okay, so one, you can just simply throw it over, especially if you are wearing like a more flowy type outfit. Something like that definitely works, or even just slinging a little bit off the sides. That definitely gives it a nice accent as well. If you are actually wearing it around your neck, you can simply just tie it like that, play around with it, do whatever you want to with it, just playing off of that. You can also twist it, and then at the bottom, just throw in a little knot, and then you have another cute little way to accessorize it. Alright, and then here's another way. Take it, fold it in half, just like this. Wrap it around your neck, loop it through the hole. Bam. This is especially for when it's really cold, or if you just want a really chic look, you can adjust it accordingly as well. Those are just a few of the ways that you can actually play around with this. But I wanted you to have this and play with it and come up with some own ways, and maybe you can even just show me those. So I will see you soon. So like I said, that is a personalized tutorial that I did for someone with one scarf. But honestly, you can use scarves every single season. Like I said, you can use so many different types, and there really are so many ways. So by all means, if you enjoyed this, please subscribe. Please comment down below, and I will give you more of these kind of tutorials. Just let me know what you're looking for. Talk to you soon. Bye.